Hey everybody, so today we're going to be covering the Digi Battle line of toys from back in the day for Digimon. These toys were companion devices to your original brick pet that you could use to connect. So you can see on the bottom you can connect them. This is a 20th, it still will work, but I just don't have any originals running at the moment. So today we'll go through the boxes, the packaging, and just how they battle. So I guess we'll start with Agumon and then move on to Patamon. Okay, so with Agumon, here is his box. So like mine is slightly starting to get damaged because this plastic is very old. But this is the box for Agumon. These things were made to be more compatible with the Pendulums, I'm pretty sure. And for that reason, these are really hard to beat. So here is more of the box. It's probably the original price there, blacked out. On the top, the bottom. Go through his instruction manual. So in the box, you get Agumon, and then you get these two pieces of paper. Both Agumon and Patamon use 2 AAA batteries. So I'll go through this manual as well. So on here you can see a bunch of the other things they were selling at the time. The original D2s, I'm pretty sure this is the Wonder Swan, a bunch of plushes, some plate sets, Digimon World 1, this toy line, oh there's the original price, there you go, so I guess these are about $20-ish, conversion rate could be a thing. There's the pendulums that they were trying to sell, the original card games, the mini toys, some clothes, and the transforming toys, which I really wish I had some, but I don't have any of these. Okay, on the other side, you see all of the Digidestined and their partners. So I guess this must have been early on in the anime because we don't know who the last forms are, but I'm sure you guys all know who all the last forms are. So that is that piece of paper. Advertisement really, I feel. So I'm feeling like this is probably the same in the other one. Alright, this is the instruction manual that I cannot read, but we can have a look, can't we? So it's just a little pamphlet, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so it shows here Agumon's arms move, how to change the batteries, make sure you turn it off before you change the batteries, I guess. So I'm pretty sure the A mode is the talking mode. So it just has a bit of a chat with you. So it just has all the sounds, and B is the battle mode, from my understanding. Okay, this also shows the compatibility with other devices. So it's compatible with all these ones. From what I've tested so far, it's pretty much compatible with any 2-prong device, with some exceptions. So there's that. And then these are also compatible with each other, so we'll be showing that off as well. So there's that. I wish I could read this. I feel like I'm missing something here. They're obviously talking to each other. Okay. So let's go over Patamon. This is the box for Patamon's. It's a lot bigger than Agumon's box. There's Patamon and TK or Takaru. Okay, back of the box with all the fancy information. This one came with no barcode. I don't know why the barcode's specifically cut out, but that just wasn't there on the box when I bought it. So yeah. So shout out to Xanadu for letting me know that this one was available because he knew I needed the Patamon one. Still really devastated that they didn't make any more than just Agumon and Patamon. I would have loved a Gabumon one. Okay, let's have a look at this. This also came in the box. I feel like it's the same piece of paper, but we'll have a quick look. Yep, this seems pretty much the same. And on the other side, again, all the Digidestined and the Digimon. Alright, so that piece of paper is the same. Good to know. And then there's Patamon's instructions. So there's a pamphlet there. Okay, same thing. Batteries. His batteries go through his butt. The A and B functions on there. Compatibility. And that's about it. So on the backs, it's on the bottom. There's the off, A, and B. Same with Agumon, off, A, and B. So, I'm not going to show off the A because you get those sounds when you're battling anyway. So we'll start doing battles with these guys. So let's first battle these guys because they are compatible. So we'll go all the way to B and all the way to B. I just have to figure out how these connect again. So line up the dots. Oh, that's right. With Patamon, you have to stick his legs all the way out. Otherwise, he doesn't fit onto Agumon. Okay. See, when they said Tobu, that's when they're battling. They're kind of loud, actually. Okay, so Agumon just won that one. That kata was him winning from the sounds I know. So let's now test compatibility with some of the other devices. So I don't have tons of devices to test these with because I know that if you have an X3 that it does work with the X3. I have done that. You can see that in my X3 videos where Agumon kind of shows up. These definitely work with the originals, but these do have very high win rates with these, so it's really hard to beat them sometimes. So this is why Agumon has the title of the strongest Agumon. But I guess we'll do 20th Agumon and the Pendulum with Patamon because it was designed for the Pendulum 20th. Well, the original Pendulum, not the 20th, but we can just choose the old modes on these. So I found that I had a little bit of issues connecting with Mamemon for some reason. It wasn't doing the correct battles. So I went straight to Dark Tyrannomon to fight with Agumon. Let's see. See if he can win. So we go to battle, go to other, and choose Dark Tyrannomon. No. There we go. See who wins. Of course, Agumon won. I expect Agumon and Patamon to win most of these matches. Okay, cool. Well, Agumon also beat Patamon, so he's still the strongest Agumon. Okay, we'll turn Agumon off for now. We'll try Patamon. So he's on. Let's go. Okay, so battle, other, let's use this guy. There we go. So we lost. Well, Patamon lost, so that's surprising. But yeah, so those are these two. Now I did test them with the pen cycle because I have it out at the moment. I'll show you what happens because we're here. Let's just use Patamon again. Because this is an older device. This one is from 2003. And it is the Asia version of the Pendulum pretty much, but it's a very different device if you know anything about this one. So connect, burst, we have to shake it because this is like a Pendulum device. That should be enough. And then connect, it will error out. Oh! See, every time I do this on camera it doesn't work. Like, when I don't do it on camera, it doesn't work. Oh, we won against Patamon. Okay, probably not official, but I'm gonna say that Agumon's stronger than Patamon. Okay, so this didn't work earlier, but apparently this is also compatible. So I'm gonna stand by it. If it's 2-pronged device and you can get the settings right, it's gonna work. And then, yeah. So let's turn this off again. Okay. So yeah, this is pretty much the Digi Battle line. If you're gonna buy it because you think it's just gonna be a beat stick for your devices, it's not really what it is. You're gonna get thrashed. These things are strong. They are strong Digimon. I like to call them like the Digimon, obviously, of the Digi-Destined, and that's why they're so OP. But obviously, it's just they were programmed differently, and they were just programmed to win, pretty much, in my opinion. But yeah, if you guys want to fight these, I did actually scan them using Alpha Terminal, and it worked. So there's going to be the OG Pendulum code and the original Digimon VPET code for these in the description if you guys are interested in fighting these. Let me know if you want a Lost. So yeah, there'll be a code for each type. You should be able to select it if you have the online functions. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are really cool toys to have as part of your collection. I wish they made more. I would have loved to have a Gabumon. It's very interesting that they didn't make an Agumon and Gabumon first. They made Patamon instead, which is cool. They didn't really, you can see it right there, a little hard to see, but they didn't fill in his mouth, and it bothers me, but it's such an old toy, I don't want to just draw it in. But yeah, there's not much else to say about these connectors on the bottom. There's a speaker there for Patamon. For Agumon, it's underneath his chin, and that's about it. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like and a comment and a subscribe. Do all the things, and I would like to see if you guys won or lost against this Patamon and this Agumon. Let us know in the description below. Not description below. The battle codes will be in the description below. Let us know in the comments below if you won or not. Anyway, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.